Then we're recording. We are at 23rd Street. No. Let me see. Hi. 23rd Street. Imelda. Yeah, I'm left. And Mirari. And Jonathan. Forgot about him.
It's Sunday
And
we
Sunday.
ain't got shit to do but eat.
Yep.
Eating his fat.
Ah, she's
Recording.
Penny man, she was recording.
Eating granizadas.
This right here, it's tortilla de flour, ham, and American cheese.
Yep. Really good. Imelda.
Say hi, Jonathan. Hi.
Say hi.
Yeah, we're walking with some girls, okay? You're the only person. My friend's walking.
Imelda doesn't want to be recorded right now.
He's like, bitch, hurry up, because I need my milk.
Jonathan. It's really cold. Well, not cold. Exaggerating, but it's still cold.
Yeah.
Right now we're turning right, I think. No, not. Maybe.
We're kind of going straight.
We're kind of going straight right now. It is like 5 o'clock.
We don't know yet.
We don't really know.
What time is it? 3 in the morning?
3 in the morning.
No wonder.
Oh, you're busy. How long can this record?
No fucking wonder I got up with no socks and I'm walking barefooted. Nah,
Hey, take out your shirt off and start running.
Exactly.
Yeah. I'll take that one. And I was like,
you're the skinny one here, so you
yeah.
should go.
All the blubber is not gonna show because we don't have to. That's like. Alright, yeah. Apparently what we're doing now. There we're gonna pass by a colorful house. Yeah.
And this is where the competition starts.
Oh, huh?
We'll give it to number none.
None.
No, maybe the last one.
Yeah.
Yes.
This
Judging, still judging.
Yup.
I haven't made my decision, but
No.
the last house. Who wins?
Who wins? Maybe.
They got the Christmas
Maybe
tree,
this
but they
house.
didn't get the whole house.
Yeah, they got a snowman there.
I
But-
think the last house.
Oh
wins.
crap!
Shit, the last one doesn't even have lights.
I know. Yeah, that was pretty cool. And that one's pretty shitty. Or something, I don't know.
I give it though to the one on the corner from the net block. They
Yeah.
have like a Mickey Mouse inside and all that. Yeah, when you go to Washington, down Washington, you know that corner of that house is like stuck on Christmas stuff?
This house is red and green and white and orange. No, wait. And brown. I don't know. Colorful house with no lights. Cool.
And we're looking for place. Oh shit, look at blackout.
Black what?
A blackout. No lights over there.
Oh my
I'm
god.
scared to go over there.
Oh my god. We're gonna pass over there?
No.
There's a blackout over there. Let's see what's the problem.
We're in the woods.
We're lost. We got nothing but yummy to eat. No, just playing. My hands are getting pretty cold. We're gonna go over here. The lights are on.
I think you should turn it off because they're going to be thinking about it.
Alright, I'm just gonna pretend I'm not even recording.
No, but it's you want to go there? Let's go look at it. I don't care.
Yay! We're going through the alley right now. They're screaming really bad. We're gonna... Let's go, run, run! One up, one up! We're here in the back of Imelda's house.
This is where I took. This is where I fell in love with the back.
I fell in love at the Apple Store. Something, something, that's yummy. Sorry, we're not helping you. We enter darkness. Nothing but darkness. I think I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I don't know. Is the cat still here? Look, you can see the blackout here. It's a blackout. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Say bye, Yami. Or you want to turn it off when we enter the house?
Hold on. You think you can get the diaper?
Yeah.
And I'll take the video.
Oh, I can't, my nails. Yeah, I got it. Oh, that hurted. Hold on. We're having difficulties. Oh.
Somebody's calling me 708. Nobody knows that number? 708?
708, 708, no.
Oh, nice.
Private call.
Just answer.
Hello? Huh? Who's this?
Oh my god, like the cat.
What's my number?
That cat is pretty creepy. Well, say bye, Imelda.
Wrong number.